So hey, it's Lee. It's a bit later than normal. It's day three of the Build the Keyword Challenge. I'm going to be sharing my progress on day three. Um, been down many rabbit holes today, so I'm going to tell you about those. I'm just going to post this. Let me just quickly add my screen. Um, One sec. To share this with you. So I'm going to take you through what I've been doing today, update you on my progress, tell you what I'm planning on doing, the direction I'm going in. I'm just going to share this quickly in the Build the Keyword group. So just bear with me one sec while I do that. So the group can know I'm live. One sec. So yeah, so day three, Build the Keyword challenge. Today, if we just look at the guide, we're 20th of March, nailing down positioning. As well as nailing down positioning today, I've been thinking a bit more about which keyword to focus on. Yesterday, I said I was going to do Las Vegas. Today, I've changed that, and I'm going to share why um, and what I'm doing. And I'm going to share what else I've been doing. So if we go to my Build the Keyword dashboard, this is what I've decided to focus on: dog-friendly hotels, UK location. Reason being was I was trying to decide, okay, am I going to do the whole of the US? Am I going to do Las Vegas? Neither appealed to me because I know when you do a directory, it doesn't need to necessarily be your own interest, but I felt like I wanted to have some kind of interest in this. I do have a dog. I do. I'm more likely to visit hotels in the UK than I am in the US, especially with a dog. I'm not. There's no way I'm going to take my dog to the US. Um, so so that's why I decided that. And then I was looking at the traffic as well, the location. If we scroll down here, there's some pretty good search traffic. Not the same as what you'd expect in the US, but still pretty good. So dog friendly hotels near me. This one here is UK based. Um, so dog friendly hotels. So I decided, okay, is it that one? I think these have got the last. This one, sorry, this one. I don't know why it's got the US in there. That's not right. I've added those by mistake. I'll take those out. But this is the UK one, so it's a bit less, 22,000. But that's okay because then you've got all these other locations which I'll have on the site on the directory. So yeah, so each page will be one of these locations. That's my plan. So I've been doing a lot of that as well as this. If you look at my bookmarks, go to the top. I also went down a few other rabbit holes. I started looking at AI cleaning app keywords, AI maker, AI flight tracker keywords. That was a complete rabbit hole. I'm saving those for another time, another build. I'm going to build an app possibly around those. But that was the rabbit hole went down today, and then I got myself back on track to be focusing on this directory, this dog-friendly hotels UK directory. So today is about nailing positioning. If we open the guide, in the guide we've got how to do your product research and where these steps come from. Study competitors. So what I started doing today a bit more was looking at some of these competitors, looking at dog-friendly hotels, looking at the site, looking at things about what can I do better, which is what the guide says. Study the landing page, the socials, the reviews, write down their weak points. So I started thinking about that. And also this one, Pets Pajamas, also looking. And I think what I've already decided is I'm not going to have this big detailed search that they have. And from what I can see, especially with dog-friendly hotels, you can go and book directly onto the sites and look at prices and that kind of thing. And I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm going to have a lot simpler, cleaner site. Make it a bit easier to navigate. So that's some of the things I've been thinking about. Maybe make my directory a bit less technical, and from that point of view, be easier to use. The other thing I was doing was looking at how I'm going to get this data, how I'm going to scrape. If you watch me on day one, you remember me saying this is one of the things to think about, was how to get the data. A lot of the other builders in the Build the Keyword Slack channel who are also doing this challenge, this is one of the tools they're using, Outscraper. It's one that many other directory builders use. This is another one called Browse AI. I tried this quickly. You can train a bot to go to a page and watch how you look at certain things, and then it will scrape based on what you do. I haven't quite learned how to use this tool, so I don't think I'm going to use it. I don't think I'm going to use Outscraper, but I might wait to see what some of the others in the group are doing and how they use it a bit more. I think Kat, who's my co-founder for Build the Keyword, is also doing a live. Is going to do a video on scraping, so I'm going to look at that and see how Kat's doing that. But what I was doing today was using ChatGPT deep research to research the different locations and build me this CSV file. And this is what it built. This is one of the locations that it did. You can see that it went and did the hotel name, the address, the coordinates. This was an experiment. I'm planning on refining this a bit tomorrow. It's got key features in here, as you can see. If I open this up, it's got key features of each hotel. So yeah, I'm going to add to this tomorrow, but I think this is the approach I'm going to do. I'm going to use ChatGPT deep research to go and find me the data and create a CSV file for it, and then use that in my building. What else did I want to show you? Okay, so this is progress. So you might, if you saw yesterday, I started creating the site, like a test version of the site in Bolt. This is in Lovable, and I'm quite impressed with how this is looking. Just open this up. Really like the design. And again, this is from a prompt. I've given it some parameters on what I want it to do. I'm planning on refining this. It's got the locations. So some of those locations that I've got in here, in this page, I'm going to give this to Bolt, and maybe I'll record a video tomorrow on showing you this process once I've got my data working, and how I want, once I've refined that. So as I say, I'm going to go through this and go through each location, get ChatGPT to create the CSV file, and then once I've got that, I'm going to import that into Lovable, and refine these locations a bit more. But I'm really happy with how this is looking. This is all literally from one prompt, and so I've pretty much decided that I'm going to use Lovable to build this. I've also been looking at a few other SEO gurus who use Lovable to build directories and found some very interesting things that I might share tomorrow in tomorrow's video, on what you can do to get Google to index the site once you've launched it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me on my update of day 3 of the Build the Keyword Challenge. Planning on taking you through this process a bit more tomorrow, and hoping to get a bit more into the building. Probably going to buy this domain. I really like this domain, Porstay, if it's available. So I'll take you on that process tomorrow. Hey Kat, thanks for watching. Let me know what you Kat. Let me know what you think of this this site. Yeah, as I said, I think I'm going to go the approach of using ChatGPT, deep research, to find the data for me, because I've decided I'm going to use each location that's in here, that I've got in my bookmark folder here. Each location, each one of these is going to be my keyword. I'm going to have these on the index page, probably in this area here. And then on each page beyond that will just be whatever ChatGPT creates for me here. But I'm planning on adding some more filters, some more fields to this. This is made with Lovable. So this is the Lovable one, Cat. This, let me show you this is the Bolt one. This is the Bolt one I made yesterday or the day before, as it loads. Pretty much the same prompt, I think. I might have refined the prompt for this one a little bit. Yeah, I've refined the prompt because in this one it's got the keyword which I'm using, dog-friendly hotels UK. I've decided to go UK rather than US, and I'm going to go locations. You didn't already hear me say that earlier in the video. So I've got all these locations which I was bookmarking today using Smart Search. There's a few more to add. Oh, these are the US ones, but anyway, yeah, I've got the UK ones. But yeah, so that's the Lovable one. That's what it looks like. And this is the Bolt one. I just decided that US, I'm never going to take Levi to the US. And I know when you're building a directory, it's not meant to be, you know, your own passion or itch, but I thought I've got to have some interest in it, and I'm more interested in what dog-friendly hotels there are in the UK. As I say, I'm only likely to take Levi there. I'm not planning on flying him to the US. So yeah, I'm going to go with Bolt. I watched a couple of videos that I'm going to share in the Build the Keyword Slack channel. Some other SEO directory builders who've used Lovable, and how they said how you can use it to get Google to index the pages in real time, which Google tends to prefer rather than it being static. I don't fully understand it. I'm going to watch it again a few more times so I can get my head around it, but that's the approach I'm planning on doing, and that's why I'm going to go with Lovable over Bolt. And again, because as you can see, the design is better. So that's it for day 3 of the Build the Keyword Challenge. Well, an update on what I've been doing. And tomorrow, I hope to take you a bit more on the journey of building this out a bit more, doing a bit more of getting the data with ChatGPT, deep research, and then refining this site a bit more. But yeah, I'll see you in another video. If you want some free keywords for your own ideas, go to buildthekeyword.com and click free ideas. You can get free ideas. We send out new ideas every fortnight, or go to Build the Keyword. We've also got some free free ideas on Build the Keyword site. If you go down to the bottom, there's some different categories there for you to find some free keywords, or sign up for Build the Keyword and join us in the group. Join us in this current challenge and future challenges. And I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.